See if we can find.
See, does this show it? Yeah, that's actually really good.
It's kind of like Mario.
Mario? We're making progress.
Cyberlink DVD Suite. I used that one.
Triple. That was a nice triple too. Nice. Boom.
Xvid. I'm not even used to that. Oh, media start.
That was bad quad. I'm like not even trying right now.
I'm not used to that. Go. Go away.
I have to try so hard for this rifle.
Dude, I like my hair right now. Don't know why, but I do.
Which did our quad.
I like my hair. Okay. Facebook.
Hey, bro.
Declan Clark commented on it. So let me get this straight. You two are going to take me on a roller coaster because you want me to make funny voices? Yes.
Exactly. Almost dropped that one. What?
Large icons. Why did you say I know there's a
I can
puppy
do fives
there?
on this rifle.
Puppy!
Scaring me.
Ow?
It hit me right here, not the head.
Oh.
That's attractive.
I don't remember who took that, but I don't know. That's an intense picture. Dude, that's a really intense picture.
It was a fail of a six.
Dude!
Quad. 5. Woo! 6. I can get a 6-7 on a rifle. I barely a spun out here. That's what's up. I'm so not used to it. Oh my god, I'm scared to do this parallel on the new rifle.
This is gonna make my life so much easier. I can actually see my laptop.
Woo!
Dude, those are some intense pictures of my dogs. They're all looking like directly into the camera, including Pika, and Pika never takes cool pictures. This is the party that
I couldn't remember what the work was.
This is the party that Nick saved me from. Happy day. Oh my god. That is why I do not like my mother.
Pretty, your laptop's right in the way.
Is no. Bigger. People are painting pictures. Guard, 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 more guard. Renaissance Festival. Okay, stop right there. Import.
Oh, snap, that was a good one.
Rainbow. And then the Mel Zipper is still here.
Mel Zipper. Ooh, triple.
And then that's when I caught my quad. I was so excited.
I didn't catch my quad with that.
Like, we didn't do that.
I like this.
Because it looked funky. The thing that I couldn't do for the longest time.
I can do it with the double. Nope.
Imagine catching like
dude,
a
with the
quad
double.
like that.
I know.
Don't try it. You'll kill yourself.
Potato. I
You
did
don't-
double. Oh, snap.
What?
you guys just got a video of me doing that with a double.
You're cool.
Hey, I'm excited. I haven't done it yet.
You're cool.
I am. I know it's not that like amazing, but for the first time,
You're cool.
I had never tried it.
You're cool.
I am.
Because we tried to download like one thing off of your camera and we ended up doing the entire thing. Hey, don't break it. Picture of Cheyenne.
Who?
Let's see, what's in this one? You and Avery. Avery has pink hair. Matt at the zoo. Matt at the zoo. Matt at the zoo some more. Matt's still at the zoo. My mother. Cameron eating Matt up.
Oh, I thought you said eating that.
Yes, eating Matt up. Snow.
That was scary. Britt,
So,
just look for like 2 seconds. Hi, Peppy. Hi. Britt.
hold on.
Brittany.
Okay, I got on my
Catch it
card.
like Adam.
I can't catch it like that. As many times as I
Okay.
try.
It's just you really have to make it locked in. But it's so cool because he like just catches it with one hand. He's like, I'm a vamp.
Hardcore.
What'd you just say?
Hardcore?
It's an illusion.
What songs? Oh. Oh.
What?
Dude, would they like cry if I put Landslide in it?
I would. Abby Marie Michaels. I'm gonna do that in one show, right?
What?
Just do like that or something. I want to do that in a show.
Oh, Bills is Bills. Bass down low and letting go are the only ones that work. Which version is this?
Ow! Go, puppy, go! Abby, come here. Come here. Come here. Fine. I'm gonna get you. You took that out of the normal bills, or is it?
Blaine.
Oh, like, is it like out of it? Abby, don't eat that leaf. Abby, stop. Look at her.
Who is talking? Who is talking?
Did you like that?
That's plie.
That's what we're supposed to do.
Yours is really big. I'll show you later. It was really big. You were like, yeah, like that. Nice. Turned in foot.
It's supposed to be.
Turned in?
It wasn't
That's
like
turned out. Yeah, it was.
it's not like that. I
Your
know.
foot
it's
was
not
like that when you went in. Something like in. It's supposed to be out.
Oh, it was. It's not supposed to be like that.
It's turned in. It's not supposed to be
like
turned.
that. It's supposed to be like that.
I know yours was like that.
It's not turned in.
That
It's
is.
just parallel.
The way yours was turned in. Your
can't even
ankle
do
was
that.
like kind of.
I can't even do that. It hurts.
Well, I'm not
Abby,
lying
really?
to you.
No, I know.
I'll show you.
So we're not in
silence here.
This thing.
Hate that so much. I don't need music class. What do I want to start with?
Look at me.
What do I start with?
Hey, Sean.
Not music. Videos.
Oh, you mean her.
Oh, I have pictures of when Octavia was still in guard.
I'm getting my rifle for me.
My mom's looking for you. My mom was like, there's for I, and where's Chelsea? And then she goes, where's Chelsea? Come here, listen. I don't even care. Just come here.
Hold on. That was a complete fail.
That's still.
Not really, I caught it. Last time it just went, like, I caught it and then it went boom.